What's up, everybody? It's Tuesday. I just got out of work a little while ago and I found some really cool pallets that I am gonna turn into my bed. Version 3.0 for the Element. So this right here actually got to cut off and make it fit for the Element. So I already have it all measured out. It's not too bad. Work's still going on. People driving around the forklift. We all forklift certified. So back over there in that corner, boop, I have a saw. And I'm just gonna take these pallets over there, go cut them up, and we'll get them all fitted. Actually need to cut sections of this out so I could have my sliding containers come in and out. So I'm actually gonna cut those. We got the 10-minute warning. Had to start cleaning up. Almost what I cut up, and I am using zip ties to put it all together. So these are basically just gonna go like that, and this gives me room to put boxes that I could slide in and out of stuff whenever I need. So not too bad. Definitely a better look. I got 2 of the same pallets this time, so pretty happy about it. But that bed platform up there, my old one is actually going to my friend Isa, who just picked up this Element right here. He got the 5-speed. Ooh, and it's got the running bars. Whoa, with like side like plastic trim. I haven't seen that before. That's cool. Whoa, those are nice.
What's up, bro?
Damn. Dude, what a pickup. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Look at that. Yes, sir. Realizing how good the lighting in the parking lot is. But so anyways, this was my old bed platform, and yeah, it's literally just pallets, guys. So this one is a fully intact black pallet. The only reason I'm getting rid of this one is because this part right here is off of a different pallet. So you can see, I mean, decent size difference right there. But if it really bugged you, you could cut it off. But why I kept it was because these holes right here, you could put things in. And how I had it set up was, this was like where my feet were. So like when I'd wake up in the morning, I could grab stuff. So sometimes I keep my toothbrush and stuff right there. Grab it, brush my teeth, get ready to go. But yeah, so other than that, this was a good bed platform for like the whole time I had it. No complaints. Definitely 100% like would be able to build one for anybody if you want one in the future. Just let me know like a week or two ahead of time so I could track down the pallets, because like mostly we get wood ones, and it's other job sites where I get these plastic ones at. So yeah, future camping buddy right here. Heck yeah.